Okay, our assignment is to make a story about our hometown. You will start in your email. We are going to use Google Slides. Click here, select Drive, put New Google Slides, put the title. I'm putting Detroit, the Motor City. You can choose a different style, any style you want. I'm going to choose black. I will write the title, Detroit, the Motor City. Put your name here by Lindsay Rothschild. Now you are going to add a new slide. This layout is good, but you can choose any layout you want. Look at the story to help you, a small city. So I will use the same type of language. This is Lindsay. She is a student. She lives in Detroit. You can write about anybody. I'm writing about myself when I was little. And I'm going to just drag a picture right onto the screen. You can slide it over. This is me when I was little. So now I'm going to do another page, plus. Now I'm looking at this model. Detroit is a big city in Michigan. Michigan is a state in the United States of America. So you will write about your city and your state and your country. This time I don't have a good picture of Detroit on my computer, but that's okay, we can find one. So I am going to put insert image, search the web. And I'm going to type Detroit. Ooh, look at all these cities. I like this one. I'm gonna select it, insert. Ooh, isn't that nice? That's my city. Now I'm going to add another slide. Your assignment is to make at least 6 slides, so you can choose what you want to write about. I'm going to write about what it's near. So I'm going to write Detroit is near Windsor. Windsor is a city in Canada. Add a picture. I'm going to put Detroit River. I'm going to put Windsor. I'll put this one. This shows the sign at the border. I'm going to add another one. You can write about anything you want. I'm going to write about sports because we like our sports in Detroit. Lindsay likes baseball. She likes the Detroit Tigers. And I'm going to add a picture. Yep. That's the symbol for our team. Lindsay eats hot dogs after baseball games. And there are special hot dogs in Detroit. They are called Coney dogs. And hopefully I can find a picture. Oh, look at that. That's it. That's our special hot dog in Detroit. I'll put this picture. So there, you can write. So you should have 7 slides, 6 slides about your city and 1 title slide. So you are going to share your story on Tuesday. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.